Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video.
Hello my friends and welcome back to Painted Kids. This is Miss Jessica. Today we're going to be drawing a cute little Easter bunny in an Easter basket full of Easter eggs. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do to start our bunny in his basket is we're going to draw a rectangle. And this will actually be how big our basket will be, so you can make it as big or little as you want. We're going to put a little lip on the basket, so we're just going to curve it around here to make the top. And then we're going to put these little diagonal lines on the top of the brim, so it kind of gives it this woven look. Once we've done that, we're going to make the lower part of the basket also look woven. So we're going to do this grid pattern. So you're going to start with from the top to the bottom. 4, 5. Now I have 5 lines, but if you have a bigger basket, you might have more or less. Then we're going to start horizontally. So 1, 2, 3. And if you want to make your squares bigger or smaller, you're more than welcome to. So now we're starting on our rabbit. So just a circle for his little head. 2 half circles for where his little paws are. We're going to do 2 lines on the inside of the paws for his toes, and then a line on either side to show where his body is. Then 2 leaf shapes for his ears. And then we're going to do leaf shapes on the inside as well. Then I'm going to do big circles for his eyes. Now for his eyes, I like to color in the big circles and then erase away where the highlights are. But if you're using a marker, then you'll want to draw out where those highlights are and then draw around those. But if you're using a pencil, you can just erase it like how I'm going to do. Then I'm going to do a little triangle for his nose, and then just a little 2 little curves for his mouth and a little line underneath for his chin if you want him to have a chin. Now I'm just going to erase away where the highlights of the eyes are, and you can do your eyes any way you want. And if you're going to be doing this technique, you want to make sure that when you add your highlights that they're in the same spot on each of the eyes, because if you were to flip it for one side of the eye or the other, your rabbit's going to look a little cross-eyed. So once you have your eyes to your liking, we're going to move on to the handle of our basket. So it's just going to be a big oval that goes from one side of the basket to the other, but I don't want to draw over my rabbit. So what I'm going to do is 2 lines right on the edge of the basket, and I'm going to stop at his ear. So I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. And then on the other side of the ear is when I'm going to start doing my little curve. Do 1 line. And then the second line. There we go. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do the same diagonals that I did on the lip of the basket all the way around the handle to make it match. Now you don't have to do this exact pattern if you don't want to. You can draw your basket any way that you want. You can design it, you can use geometric shapes, you can make it look like its own little painting. It's up to you. So once we're done with our basket handle, we're going to fill our basket with eggs. So I'm just doing like little curved lines because you don't see the whole egg. And then I'm just filling in that little negative space with a little design like I'm decorating my own little Easter eggs. Come over on this side, we're going to do another little curved line. That's going to make it look like there's an egg in the basket. And we'll just do a little stripe here. Do one behind that one, just a little curved line. Do a little zigzag. And then do the same thing on the other side. I think I'll put a flower on this one, so I'll do like a little curved lines here and there to make it kind of look like there's a flower, and a little curved line on top to fill that in. Then the next thing I'm going to do is just start coloring away. Now you can choose whatever colors you want, but to make it feel like it's woven, I'm going to use one color for one side of the squares, and I'm going to alternate between the squares, and then I'm going to choose a different color for the rest of the squares, so it gives it this nice woven look. I chose kind of to do a brown color, but you guys can choose a much more colorful Easter basket. Then I'm just going to color the rest of the handle. I get to color my rabbit, and I kind of made him a nice cute little gray color. And I made sure to color the inside of his ears all cute and pink. And then I went ahead and just decorated my Easter eggs, just like how you would decorate your own Easter eggs when you're coloring them at home. And that is our little Easter rabbit in his Easter egg basket. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so that way you are notified every time a video is posted. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.